lay eggs that hatch into baby birds. Most birds lay 3 eggs in nest. The mother and father birds feed the baby birds until they can find their own food. Many birds eat insects, but others eat lizards and snakes. Eagles eat mice. Ayan. Birds may make many sounds. Some birds chirp, and some birds grunt, grunt. Every kind of bird sleep. The end.
Very good.